gotta kill him already. These dogs are getting tired. They had to run downhill, that's right. Go kill him. I'll catch video of you stabbing. Go. Nino, gotta kill him already. Girl. No, these dogs are getting tired. Look, Mommy's already. I mean, you can let him have fun. Saturday, boy. Oh, 2 weeks in a row. Okay.
Can, huh? Tell Dad come upstairs. Okay, hang on.
Oh. Good girl, Maui. Grab him. Hey there, Blaze. Look, see Blaze. Yeah. Right there, Nina. Look. Yeah. Kona, boy. Mommy girl and Blaze caught it, yeah? Boy. Young one then. Okay, you want me to stab him?
Wait, Grandpa, but listen.
Okay. I got it all on video.
Hitch,
Mommy, hitch. Kona, hitch, Kona, hitch. Hey, they tired already. Stab him. Stab him. Yeah, they're tired. Here. I'm gonna catch video of you stabbing. Oh, watch out the dog. Okay, wait until the dog get off. Good girl, Mommy. Hey, Blaze, good girl. Stop, right now. Okay, right now. Nino, you gotta stop. The dog get tired.
No going to play. Promise.
Oh, God. Downhill and everything, man. Oh, that's how.
You guys can hear him. You won't kill him already. Let's tell him you won't kill him. I'm tired. Yeah, you can hear him barking.
The pack.
We're
This
in
is the pack. Right here, this is the pack right here. It's the one.
We're a little bit in the forest. Okay. Well, you cannot see us though, we're in the forest.
It's the pack right there. Right there, Nino, stop him right there. Ready? Oh. Okay, Nino, stop him.
Let me catch the big river that goes down. Okay.
Come on, boy. Oh, sharpening his tongue. Good girl, Mommy. That's how. Let us know where it is.
You can hear the dog barking.
Cheat. Oh, she got whacked in the nose. Grandpa, not Grandpa. You know, I'm gonna kill him already.